Hi, to enable 5G network on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, just open Settings, and as a first step, make sure that SIM card is inserted in your phone or to some cards. Now you need to find Mobile Network tab, and after that, pick Mobile Data. Now make sure it is enabled, so the switcher is blue, and then go in Preferred Network mode. And if you wanna disable 5G, then choose one of those three options which does not include 5G. For example, this one with 4G, 3G, and 2G auto. If you wanna enable 5G, then pick this first option which includes 5G. And you can do the same for the second SIM card, but as you can see, mine is not inserted, so this tab is simply unavailable. But in your case, you can tap here Preferred Network mode and also pick either 5G option or 4G, 3G, 2G. And you can go in more and here enable Dual SIM 5G. So allow both SIM cards to access 5G. And when disabled, the secondary SIM's 5G toggle will be turned off. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.